So we finally finished this awesome entertainment space down here in the basement area. It's the ultimate spot for hosting meals, hanging out, and watching the big games during our summer pool parties, except for one major issue. When the HVAC was initially installed, this zone completely missed out on the air conditioning. Between the summer heat and people tracking in humidity from the pool, it gets absolutely sauna status down here real quick, making the space basically unusable when we have guests over. But today we're fixing that. In this video, I'm partnering with Garvee to take a look at their massive 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner. This thing's a #1 bestseller, rated to cool up to 750 square feet. We're going to unbox it, set it up, and run a brutal before and after temperature test to see if it can actually salvage our hosting space. Let's go ahead and get started. First impressions out of the gate, it's got a really clean, modern aesthetic with this sleek white top design and two-tone finish. It weighs around 80 pounds, but thankfully it has sturdy built-in side handles and smooth caster wheels. This portability is key. It's incredibly easy to roll right from storage into position or pretty much anywhere I want to move it, to any other room, the garage, or wherever you need instant cooling. Maintenance looks super simple too. The filter slides right out for quick cleaning to keep your air fresh. The filters are also completely washable, so you don't have to worry about constantly buying replacement filters. And around back, you've got the drainage port. There's one on the bottom for manual draining, and then you've got one in the middle for continuous draining if you're going to be using this continually. This is a 3-in-1 unit, meaning it acts as a powerful AC, a 3-speed fan, and a high-capacity dehumidifier, which is massive for a basement entertaining space, especially with pool traffic constantly bringing in extra moisture. Up top, you've got a crisp LED control panel that covers all your primary features, from cycling modes and fan speeds to setting a 24-hour timer. It also features automatic swing louvers to evenly push the cold air around the room. And it comes with a handy remote control, so you don't even have to leave the couch. To give you an idea of the sheer airflow power that this thing puts out, I actually attached a ribbon to kind of show you the velocity of the blowing power. And that's just on the high setting. You can easily cycle down to medium or low using the panel or the remote when you just want a gentle breeze. Plus, the auto swing louver actually keeps the air moving so it doesn't just blast one spot. Before we turn it on, we need our baseline. Check out the thermometer right now. We're sitting at a brutal baseline temperature. It's right at 84 degrees. No one wants to eat a meal or watch a game in this kind of heat. This was also super easy to install. Portable ACs live or die by their window kits, and Garvee includes a completely toll-free window slider and exhaust hose. You just extend the panel to fit your window opening, pop the hose connectors into place, and attach it to the back of the unit. It takes under 5 minutes, so you can get back to the party without needing to be a do-it-yourself expert. The digital display lets you adjust the climate all the way down to a chilly 64 degrees. Talking about the noise that this puts out, a lot of portable units sound like jet engines taking off in the living room, which completely ruins the vibe if you're trying to hear the commentary of the game or talk to your guest. Let's do a quick audio check and see how much sound this puts out. Honestly, it's not bad at all for a powerful 14,000 BTU compressor. It has a steady low hum, but it's definitely quiet enough to talk over or host a dinner without feeling overwhelmed. It also features that 24-hour timer and a dedicated sleep mode if you ever plan on utilizing its portability to wheel this into a bedroom or a home office space. Also really like to use this in my workshop area. That gets super stuffy during hot days, and having this in there just makes my work a little more comfortable when I'm using it in that area. But for this entertainment space, I'm cranking it straight to max cooling. We're going to let it run for an hour, leave the room, and see just how much it drops the temperature. So after exactly 1 hour, walking back into that basement area, you could definitely feel the difference. It's a night and day difference, and the air actually feels pretty crisp down there. Taking a look at the thermometer, we started at about 84 degrees, and right now we're sitting at a much lower temperature. That's a massive temperature drop in just 60 minutes. So it's a few hours later, and I wanted to come down here to the basement and kind of show you how this is working out. Earlier, I had set this to 75, which is probably where we will keep this room constantly, just at kind of a cool but comfortable 75 degrees. And the current temperature in the room is 76.5. So this is doing an excellent job of keeping the temperature at that comfortable level. Now, of course, I could bump this down all the way to 64 degrees and would hold it at 64 degrees, but I think it's doing an amazing job of just automatically keeping that comfortable temperature. The 14,000 BTUs of cooling power absolutely handled this footprint and stripped the heavy, humid pool party air right out of the room and turned this back into the perfect space where we can actually sit down, eat a meal, and watch the game in total comfort. If you've got a finished basement like me, a garage, or any room that your central HVAC just can't reach, the Garvee 14,000 BTU Portable AC is a stellar quick fix solution. It completely saved our hosting space. I'll be sure to leave links down in the description below where you can check one out for yourself, along with any active discount codes that I can hook you guys up with. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech content like this. That about wraps it up for this one. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.